Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hakim bin Aziz. My metric number was 13DKA19F1027. Our title was Study of Poison Use in Agriculture. Soil is one of the most widely used medium for cultivation, and this is because soil consists of four important elements, namely mineral, organic matter, water, and air. And some plants require strong medium to grow. Due to the increase of population, the use of pesticides is common for farmers in ensuring the quality and quantity of the crop. But everything must have its good and bad effect, especially on the content found in the soil after using the pesticides. Therefore, we chose to conduct a study on effect of pesticide application on soil. Formula statement: consumers who are concerned about the possibility that the use of poison could affect their health. Farmers are worried that there will be change to their crop due to the use of pesticide absorbed by the soil. Some believe that by using pesticides, the condition of the soil will slowly damage. A vague description of the content contained in the poison used. This is because uh, there was little explanation on how to use the pesticides, therefore make the farmer overuse it or overdose it. Next, farmers are unsure of the appropriate pesticide option to use for the different type of crop, since a lot of plant was available, so there's also lot of pesticide that must is suitable for the plant.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Hakim bin Azhari. My matrix number is 13DKA19F1147. Now I will present about objective and scope of the study. First, the objective of the study is to study and analyze the soil from a sample that has been collected. Second, the objective of the study is to solve the problem of consumer that worries about their health when they eating crops that are using the pesticides. Okay, next. The study will be conducted at around Dungun, Terengganu. Then the resident around Dungun, Terengganu have involved in the study, which means we have give some question to them to answer it. The reason we choose this area is because there are some consumers concerns about their health when consuming the crops that has been using pesticides. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share you guys about design thinking and methodology. Before I started my presentation today, let me introduce myself first. Okay, my name is Mohamad Izad Zulfikar bin Shahrom. My registration number is 13DKA19F1102. Okay, I started my presentation now. For design thinking has have 5 steps. which is stage 1, empathy, stage 2, define problem statement, stage 3, idea, stage 4, prototype, and stage 5, analyze. So for design thinking process 1, make a research throughout social media and article on pesticide in agriculture industry and the effect of pesticide on soil. Get an important points and clue as key of the study. Design thinking process 2, visit the study site to obtain the information such as in the interviewing employers or the general public in the surrounding area. List some of the problems that occur to people about the pesticide. See for yourself the situation in the study site. Design thinking process 3, take some of soil as a sample for the further study. This sample will be taken to the laboratory to undergo some tests. The data obtained will be taken and analyzed to see the result of the study. After that, I want to share about methodology. Methodology has planning, interview, sampling, and analyze of data. Firstly, the planning. Planning is made with consent of group members. Each group members need to get some reference and information to facilitate the study as well as increase understanding of the study conduct, such as an article from myagi.com said that pesticide will make an effect on organism if not managing efficiently. Second is interview. Take information and evidence about the study and list some problem during handling a pesticide and the effect of pesticide. For example, farmer once said that each garden uses different pesticide according crop type, soil type, and disturbance from pests. In addition, each pesticide has a different price depending on its type and concentration rate. Third, after that is sampling. After the interview was done, some sample will be brought to the laboratory for more analysis. The result of the analysis take from 7 to 13 days from the day of the sample submission. And lastly, analysis of data. The result of the analysis obtained will be used to make comparison to see whether the hypothesis and objective of the study are achieved or other side. So that's all for me today. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you. My name is Mohamad Ali Razak. My registration number is 13 DKA19F 1042. So I will present about Gantt chart. And so Gantt chart is about our activities doing for our project by week. So Gantt chart is our table to representing our activities. So our activities is introducing with project coordinator. So we plan in week 1 and we do it in week 1. And for week 2, we're meeting with the project's supervisor and general discussion about the final year project in week 2. So in week 3 and week 4, we do a setting the topic of discussion with supervisor, and week 5 until week 11, we do make the design thinking and webinar with Dr. Sri Bunian in week 6. She tell us about our project, and we presentation in week 11. We prepare the proposal and project, also a logbook. So send a pre-video presentation to the panel, and last is presentation 2. So this presentation 2 in week 16. So next is our cost. So our item is just like that. So our project is about not about item. So basically, we should send our sample to lab, and this is our cost. Our lab price is 75 per 75 ringgit. So in 75 ringgit, we have we can do four things. So we have our knee and sample. So total our cost is RM 195. So next, the result. The result of this study, we expect that we get answer to the debate about the pros and cons, extensive poisons to crops if affect something, crop yield or not. In this way, can awaken all consumer as well as gardener to always make sure plants are poisoned proportionally in order to avoid crop yield receiving many chemical springs from the soil. So that's all from us. Thank you.